Hi, I am Madam Eileen. Have you heard of unboxing videos? I've been hearing about them for quite a while myself. I decided, let's do a few. Look, I got a package. So, normally, if you're unboxing, you're opening a box. But this is a package. What is inside? Well, I'll give you a hint. I use it in my business. I had my son already open it. I reached my hand in and I pulled out this bundle. I haven't ordered this product before. It is Threadmill linen. Comes in a coarse canvas bag. Really cool. I think I could do something with this. And it's drawstringed. I haven't opened this up. I thought I would let you know about my journey. This is face mask covering. Some people, they're no longer wearing masks. Oh, this is hard to open. You know what? Mrs. Smith needs her reading glasses. This nut, is it knotted? Is it tiny? Why doesn't it not want to come out? I don't know. Oh, suddenly it just opens. There was no knot, it was just stiff. Inside this bag, isn't that a great canvas bag? It could be a puppet. I can practice my ventriloquism. Hello, how are you today? Well, there is an instruction book that recommends that you first wash your hands before putting on your mask. Ooh, more instructions on different styles of mask. I haven't had this brand before. It has the plastic packaging came off really easy. I ordered adult size, but this looks like child sized. I'm going to have to double check my order. I have a small face, so it'll work for me. What I'm planning to do with this is to paint faces on it. I had to perform as a clown. When I'm a clown, I'm Sweet Bubbles. And look at my mask I made. I put a happy smile on my face. I put decorations on my cheeks, so I put some cheek decorations. I even put some rhinestones there to sparkle. This is a different brand of mask. So I'm trying just a different brand to do the same thing. So if you're a clown and you want a clown, you still need a clown mask, I can make you one of these. There's a metal in there. It shapes really easy. It has sizing bands on here. And it has a little loop on the end to keep the sizer from pulling off. I think if you pull too hard, it might pop off. But as it is right now, it's really nicely done. Let's see, I'm checking. Can I put extra protection in here? Nope, it's not created so you can put a changeable charcoal packet in it, but it is 3 layers. Well, this is going to be a very fun mask to use. Round the face, round the nose, covers the nose, shapes the nose, just barely under my chin. Put a little nose on there. I got this, and it comes in a package of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anyways, you can always look this up on Amazon. The brand is Threadmill. But anyways, that's what's in my package. It's very fun, and there's 7, so you can have one for every day of the week. And then look, a nice bag to carry them, and then you can just hang the whole bag. I wonder, is this also a washable washing bag? Wash in mild temperature. Do not machine dry. It can steam iron. I can flat iron or dry it flat. Don't wring. It says don't wring it out. Wash these by hand. But it doesn't say anything that this bag is a washing laundry bag. So good to store it in, probably not to wash. I like the canvas feel. That's a very fun bag with natural cotton pull strings. Threadmill, feel protected, stay connected with Thread Shield. That's cool. So there's a little unpackaging video. I hope you had fun. That was really amusing. Thanks for joining me on my little adventure. Have a fun day. Bye.